July 24th.
I wish we were at the concert.
Brooklyn. What'd you get? Is that the Valentine's Day monkey Mommy got for you? Are you getting into my coffee table? Hold on, I have to steal that from her. Give that. You can't eat that. It's not baby safe. Well, go on, show everybody what you've been doing. Besides destroying my living room. What'd you just find? Okay, sorry. She had a puff on the floor that I have no idea how long it's been there for. Brooklyn, are there more down there that I don't know about? Oh.